on, Izzy. Come on.
It's gonna be a good day.
It's looking like a good one.
All right, boys. Just watch and learn, all right? Watch and learn.
Oh, is that right?
Stop.
Good shot, bro.
Nice one.
Yeah, mate. Woo.
Time of year, not so much, to be
Oh,
honest. It's mainly fishing, camping.
Really?
Oh God, help him.
no.
Help him.
Put pressure.
You okay, man? You okay? You're gonna be all right.
We need to get help. I'll put pressure on.
All right, I'm gonna go. I'm
Go.
gonna go, man.
Hey Chris, where's Dave?
I'm really sorry. He's been in an accident.
Wait, what?
He's at the hospital.